Hello everyone, welcome to our walkthrough of base.report, a powerful and intuitive tool that we've designed to help streamline your investment research. In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into some of the new features of base.report. We'll explore our market overview page, understand the sector and industry ranking tables, and learn how to interpret the various performance metrics to gain insights on price changes, volume trends, and relative strengths. We'll also look at how you can leverage our screener to narrow down your list of potential stocks based on your own specific criteria. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the investment landscape, our aim is to help you get the most out of your market analysis. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use base.report to identify leading sectors, industries, and stocks. Please note that while we may show certain tickers in this video, it's for demonstration purposes only. None of this is financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, let's get started. Here is our new market overview page on base.report. At the top of the page is the sector's ranking table, a comprehensive dashboard providing an at-a-glance overview of market activity across sectors. The table includes important metrics such as the last day's price change, volume change, ADR percentage, BPR, and more. Let's take a closer look at these. This can provide a snapshot of how the sector performed relative to others. The volume change is a comparison of the trading volume over the last 5 days versus the last 20 days. Changes in volume can often precede price changes. For example, if we see a decrease in volume in a few sectors and a roughly proportional increase in others, it might suggest that money is flowing from one sector to another. This can often provide an early indication of changes in market trends. The ADR percentage, or average daily range percentage, represents the average price range in which a sector has traded. A higher ADR percentage might indicate higher volatility and potentially more trading opportunities, but also more risk. The BPR, or Base Performance Rating, is our proprietary relative strength indicator that ranges from 0 to 100. It takes into account the stock's price movement over the past 200 days, with more recent days carrying a heavier weight. Additionally, it rewards recent consolidation, which often precedes breakout moves. A higher BPR indicates stronger momentum and could suggest this sector is in a stronger uptrend. Next on our market overview page, we have a set of insightful infographics that visualize market health and relative strength, providing a more intuitive way to understand these critical aspects of market behavior. First, let's look at our market health bars. These include price change, price vs SMA 50, and price vs SMA 200. They provide a snapshot of the overall market condition. Price change bar indicates whether most stocks in the market are advancing, staying the same, or declining. It offers a quick glimpse into the overall direction of the market. Price vs SMA 50 and price vs SMA 200 bars give us an indication of where the market stands relative to its 50-day and 200-day simple moving averages, respectively. These are key indicators used by traders to identify longer-term market trends and potential support or resistance levels. If a majority of stocks are trading above their respective simple moving averages, it suggests a more bullish market sentiment and vice versa. Moving on, we have a tree map visualization of industries, which presents a color-coded snapshot of the base performance rating, or BPR, across different industries. Greener boxes signal higher BPR, indicative of strong momentum and potential uptrends, whereas redder ones suggest lower BPR, possibly hinting at weaker momentum or downtrends. You can mouse over each box to see the full name of the industry and the number of stocks it represents. This feature provides a handy way to visualize the relative strength of various industries in the market at any given time. Finally, on our market overview page, we have the industry's ranking table. This table is similar to the sectors table but provides more granularity. Instead of sectors, each row represents an industry. Like the sectors table, you can sort each column to identify various trends and movements. As there are over 100 industries, we've paginated this table for your convenience. Let's demonstrate how to use this table with an example. Let's sort by the dollar volume change column, which by default sorts in descending order, so we see industries with the highest change at the top. We see that airports and services has an exceptionally high increase in dollar volume change. Diving deeper into this industry by clicking on the industry name, we find that Joby dominates in terms of dollar volume, accounting for a significant portion of the industry's volume. In smaller industries, like this one with only 8, it's common for 1 or 2 stocks to drive most of the volume. If we're looking for groups of similar stocks that may move together, we might want to consider industries with higher numbers of stocks and dollar volumes. Among the top 5, real estate services and airlines stand out. Comparing these two, airlines price to high columns and BPR values seem stronger across the board, suggesting a longer uptrend. However, real estate services shows a higher recent volume change, suggesting a potential shift in momentum. Upon closer inspection of top stocks in these industries, this hypothesis seems to hold. Airline stocks appear to have been in an uptrend for most of the past year, while real estate services stocks seem to be in the early stages of an uptrend. That was just one way to identify strong industries using this table. The possibilities are endless, and we encourage you to explore other columns and develop your own approach. If you discover any interesting insights or alternative methods, we'd love to hear about them in the comments. Up until now, we've been looking at the entire market. However, many investors have specific criteria for the stocks they're interested in, like minimum dollar volume or stock price. These preferences can significantly narrow down their pool of potential stocks. So we made sure you could view the industries table for only the stocks you're interested in. Let's demonstrate this using the screener feature. Let's add a quick set of filters to start. Only stocks. Minimum ADR percentage of 5. 20-day average dollar volume of at least 1 million. A price of at least $5 and above the 200-day simple moving average. This narrows our pool down to 241 stocks. Sorting this by the 50-day range, we can see which stocks have made the most significant gains in the past 50 trading days. Let's save this filter for future use and name it something random like stocks above 5. Next, we'll open the screener in a new window. Here, we'll select industries from the display button group and select the filter we just saved. The market health bars and industries table appear, just like on the market overview page. The difference here is that these are based on the stocks that fit our screener criteria. With 241 stocks spread across 69 industries, there are bound to be several industries with only a few stocks. Let's sort by the number of stocks to see which industries contain the most stocks that fit our criteria. Biotechnology is often a mixed bag, and since we would like to find stocks that move in groups, we'll look at the next two in this video. Software application shows an increase in recent volume change and a high average ADR percentage. This could indicate a group of fast-moving stocks gaining traction. Switching back to the previous screener window and selecting charts, we can add software application to the filter sidebar to view charts only for this industry. As we browse through, it appears many have recently broken out of their previous bases, but some may still be setting up. This could serve as a beneficial exercise for you to categorize these charts into subsets, each defined by their respective recent price trends. Back to the industries table, we'll now examine software infrastructure. There's been a significant decline in recent volume, and the price to 20-day high is lower than for software application. This could suggest these stocks made significant moves within the last few months but have pulled back and are consolidating. Let's verify this by reviewing the charts for the software infrastructure industry. As hypothesized, most of these stocks have made a run in the recent months and have since then pulled back. They do seem to be finding support on moving averages, however, and may be setting up again. This was a quick look at how the new industries view in the screener can help identify leading themes. There are many ways to use these views together, and we encourage you to experiment and find what works best for you. In summary, we've navigated through the many features of base.report, learning how to assess market health, dissect sector and industry performance, and utilize the screener tool to focus on stocks that meet our specific criteria. We've identified trends and discussed strategies to unearth potential investment themes. There is a wealth of data and tools to aid in your investment decisions, from understanding market trends to honing in on specific stocks that suit your investment style. And remember, while we've given you a thorough walkthrough, there is still so much more to discover. We invite you to visit our website and explore these features for yourself. Dive deep, experiment with the tools, and tailor the experience to your needs. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to share your experiences or strategies with our community, let us know in the comments or join us on Discord. You can find all the relevant links in the video description below. As always, we appreciate your time and engagement. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing you on Base Report.